Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? Today we are going to learn about the example of explanation text in English, part 4. How does rainbow happen? How does rainbow happen? Rainbow is a natural phenomenon that is so impressive. This phenomenon often appears after rain. Rainbow is an arc spectrum which is so large and occurs because the drops are refracted by sunlight. When the sun is shining and the light passing through water droplets, then you will see refraction that causes a wide variety of colors. Light is reflected like light passing through a glass prism. How does rainbow happen in detail? All the happenings begin when the sunlight passing through the raindrops. Then the light is deflected to the center of the droplet. The white light now separated from each other in the spectrum of colors. The process does not stop there. The colors that have been separated then separate again into the very small portions. There is more light separated from each other in the droplets. Then there are more curved, and finally those colors from light curve called rainbow. A rainbow is nothing but an arc of a large circular spectrum of color that occurs due to the reflection of sunlight by water grains. When sunlight passes through water droplets, it refracts like when it penetrates a glass prism and comes out in the rainbow color spectrum. So inside the water droplets, we have got different colors lined up from one side to the other. Some of this colored light is then refracted from the far side of the water droplets, returning and exciting again from the water droplets. Light comes back from water droplets in a different direction depending on the color. The colors on this rainbow are arranged in red at the top and purple at the bottom of the rainbow. Rainbow is seen as bow from the surface of the earth because of the limited viewing angle of the eye. If the vantage point is high place, for example from an airplane, can be seen as a complete color spectrum in the form of a circle. The rainbow can only be seen when it rains together with the sun shining, but from the opposite side of the observer. The position of the observer must be between the sun and the droplets of water with the sun behind the person. The sun, the eye of the observer, and the center of the rainbow arc must be in a straight line. Thanks for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.